Open D hints. When fretting the open D chord, it's important to not accidentally mute the fourth string with your index finger. So make sure that your finger comes down a bit and doesn't touch the string above. Also, beginners often accidentally mute the first string with their ring finger right here. So make sure that you fret with the tip of your ring finger. This can be a bit tricky, but with some practice, you'll nail this one as well. Now grab the chord and pick the strings one by one, starting with the fourth string. Remember, the fifth and sixth strings are not included in this chord. If any strings are muted, then adjust your hand and fingers until all strings ring out with a clear sound.